We are honored to have the Chairman and Managing Director of Whiteland Corporation, Mr. Navdeep Sardana, with us. So, sir, with more than a decade experience in your kitty, what do you think is the biggest game changer for any developer in the real estate?
जैसा मालिक ने रास्ता बनाया होता है सुमित जी, वैसे ही होता है. बट एज पर माई अंडरस्टैंडिंग, द विजन शुड बी क्लियर. It should be very strong. No, not just to make one project or two, or to create some profit. It should be larger than life. You should create project. You should create company's value, which can be remembered for ages, for your next generation to come. So vision is the key. दूसरा सुमित, जिस आप बिजनेस में हो, जिस व्यापार में आप हो, जैसे हम रियल एस्टेट में हैं एज व्हाइटलैंड कॉरपोरेशन, सो इसका नींव समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि धरोहर क्या है, द बेस क्या है. जमीन, लैंड. सो लैंड एंड द कंप्लायंसेस ऑफ द लैंड इज़ वेरी मच नेसेसरी. ऑल द टाइटल, ऑल द पेपर वर्क शुड बी क्लीन. जो लोग आपके साथ पैसा लगाते हैं, so they should be stuck at all. So by God grace, we have bought licensed land from DLF itself, the country's finest developer. So that gives itself a big certificate to Whiteland Corporation. Third, which is necessary, the product mix you present to clients. Ultimately, this is your product which gives the return to all the investors involved, starting from your financer, your end users, all stakeholders, your team, your vendors. So that should be, chosen with very much details, starting from location, the kind of project you deliver, the quality, the contractors, everything. These are the key factors, I believe, which makes any real estate organization successful story.
Can you also tell us some of the biggest bottlenecks which a developer faces and goes out of the sync?
First comes the intent. There the issue starts. फिर जब intent ठीक भी है कुछ लोगों की, तो I have seen they don't find the right set of people. I mean content and the strength to deliver your idea. Execution में कई बार फंस जाता है ये चीज़. So execution is the key. This business or any business, it's very dynamic. Every day you have to work. So जैसे फिल्मों में बोलते हैं ना, entertainment. So ऐसे हमारे execution. That is the belief. And cash flow, of course, to run a company, that is your backbone. So cash flows should be strong. You shouldn't spread which is out of your control. पुराने लोग कहते थे ना कि अपनी चादर में पैर पसारो तो ठीक रहता है. So cash flows, when it comes to Whiteland Corporation, we are a debt-free company, no partnership, no JV. So it becomes easy to take a call, to deliver it, and to execute.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your ideas and valuable inputs. Thank you.